Hi, I'm back once again. I'm going to teach you one more song here. The song which is usually sung during the entrance part of the Mass. Now this song is called Come Into His Presence. Now it's in the key of A here, but actually with a capo or a capo on the 2nd fret. Supposed to be this is B flat because my guitar is tuned 1 fret lower. And here, to simplify things, I use the chord A. So the strumming is 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 all down. Okay. So here goes. So the entrance is A, E, A, back to E. So come to His presence with thanksgiving in your thanksgiving. A major 7 and give Him praise. B minor, then passing E and give Him praise. A, then open E, then back. Come into His presence with thanksgiving. A major 7 in your heart. Your voice is raised. B minor, then E. Your voice is raised. A, then A7. Give glory. So that's D. And honor. C sharp 7. And power, F sharp minor, unto Him. That's D minor. Then G, A, He says, F sharp minor. Then A, B minor, above E, all names. A, then open to E. That's it. So, let's sing the song. Come into His presence. Come to His presence with thanksgiving in your heart and give Him praise, and give Him praise. Come to His presence with thanksgiving in your heart, your voice is raised, your voice is raised. Give glory and honor and power unto Him, Jesus, the name above all names. Time. Come to His presence with thanksgiving in your heart and give Him praise, and give Him praise. Come to His presence with thanksgiving in your heart, your voice is raised, your voice is raised. Give glory and honor and power unto Him, Jesus, the name above all names. Glory and honor and power unto Him, Jesus, the name above all names. Jesus. Okay, that's it. Very easy to play. So, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. God bless you.